Now we can say Wizkid don't close to Tinubu and just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about how you know that do here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba, 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 yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey. So Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. Do you know me, Black? I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? They say, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see Wizkid, we just come. Everybody, settle down, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up.
Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day.
He go come give his speech. You are going to jail with me. In a town hall, different from Falabu. My administration is going to make everybody here give a subtraction and other information. Two, not just
let the poor breathe.
Don't support them.
Let the poor breathe.
We have no responsibility.
Let the poor breathe.
People asking what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office.
First week in office.
Yes.
Hit the ground running.
Second week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Third week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Enjoy your weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that's my time.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
One girl just say me they use doggy, give him 500 million. How much people be they buy from for last election? Person when want save the whole nation, the full nation, the form na 100 million. You just want to do doggy. Collect 500 million. I be say if you do cowgirl, you go request for Ikoyina. Once you get a cowgirl, so what you want say, give me the whole Ikoyi. Where we go to stay? Now, boys, okay, we know when we say our work normally. Once guests ask us money, we say, I see what I can do. What do we can do now? Baba. So people there where they use 500 million. No, that's in a room of time. Wait, as in 5, bro. First, for the first time, 2 wrongs make it right. Because for the girl to expect 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. For Bonner to promise 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. So those 2 wrongs don't make a. Tinubu they rule Nigeria like we get target to. Until I say kill them before October 14. You know what they come out? October 14. Because you know Nigeria we just dey like orphans. See the way they rule Nigeria like who get American passport, Nigeria wants to go there, go collect her. Nigeria nothing they work the way they explain them. This country now the only country they say the land is green, but everywhere red. Everybody had they chook. Nothing works the way they explain it. Do you know that abroad if you see somebody collapse, If you go beside the person who collapse, you go see what he take when he take collapse. The name of the substance now knock off. Knock off, don't knock off. One of my guys don't find sleep. 6 days, no fit sleep. He begin ask, what can I take to sleep? They recommend different things. Somebody say make he drink plenty water. The guy drink water, nothing work. They say, okay, so you have to be exercising. He exercise. They recommend Octalidon. He drink nothing. This guy try everything. Nothing work until somebody can recommend Jehovah's Witness book, Awake. As the guy read Awake, he enter coma.
But if you must carry yearly techniques, as you go club, around 12, not to 7 again, then they hear, I say, 500,000, I know they argue. As we hear the dance, baby, so how much is it? We say 500,000. Dance, come on. No, don't argue. Around, share at 12, around 2. Go back, the money go reduce. So, baby, how much is it? You hear again. Well, I love your consistency. You left and came back. I will do 200K. 200K? That's come on! Now you're around 4. So, baby, I don't want to get on the best. Bros, carry me if you carry me. I'm a pacific. I'm very born me. You guys are like me for us. No answer. Like it's an shower work. And I say how much? Because they were 50,000 naira will be fine. 50,000. That's come on! No need for each other. Around 530. Come in again. So baby, now this one is so baby how much? That I get very emotional. Bro, smart tell you. Nobody knows tomorrow. Shout out today. If you be president tomorrow. Listen to your talk. So say how much? Because say where? Just 20,000 naira now. How we find 20,000? That's come on! Around 6:30, everybody don't go. Now PRO they pop clock. So baby, how much for a night? You get what I say? All the night they don't come. So how much for giving them? No wahala. And I really need money again. Carry me go your house. Just give me money and egg man, chop man, go out. Give me an egg. That's the man.
Most people don't talk say what did D1 see for very dark man body. D1 say one discipline very dark man. Actually, nobody say one discipline very dark man. When D1 enter Big Brother, I don't say that the Uber man will carry and go back. As he just come, they say D1, take your load and return. As he one book, now the man say, "Are they outside?" Hold on, as the man enter, so that voice when they say D1, that one say pack your load and leave the house. You know say they know they see the voice. So D1 then you don't that you don't depend, you don't cram that voice, don't find that place since. So this is Big Brother, that voice. So when very that man come, because say, all right. Now D1 say he's the one. You know understand? Now that same voice. And you know say now they accuse everybody because the darker side of a man, and when they accuse say they sleep with another man. What if the man is not the one? Even our guy, they accuse him. Say before he feature the girl for skit, he will carry the girl go hotel, carry the girl like that and say, "Unde do." You understand? They accuse the guy. But at the end of the day, all these guys, they might be innocent because social media matter and are two-faced. Hold on, hold on. Social media matter and are two-faced. So if you want to know the truth about social media, the best person to ask is Zik Saloma because he knows it all. Since when they bomb me, I never see one person. If person dress, is when they bomb me, the other person say, all dry. Person go dry, say, this your shoe dry. This your cloth dry. And the last one you see person, you say, when your nose go dry. Zik Saloma just change everything. Social media, yes, now social media makes everything all. And now women, they cause all these things. Women. Everybody they fight for woman. Even see senator when they shout, the eyes have it. We don't say for night they beg one woman say, can I have it? Everybody, they mess everything up. You know the women are the other people when they pretend to hate soccer for afternoon, can't like the tea for night. In the afternoon, women claim they hate suckers, but every night they play with balls. God have mercy. Social media, everything does spoil this country. This country don't go. Things they spoil for this country, nobody they talk. As I speak to you now, the price of Panadol, they give person headache. Things for this country don't spoil. Even condom will be 200 naira before. Condom is now 2,500. Casino, let me. Condom now 2,500. Condom don't cost. We cannot even protect ourselves anymore. The price to treat protection can't cost fast food they give the infection. What is the total amount to carry get for total? Oh no, now 2,300 don't carry get for total. Before you know you buy it, you don't come out. That's why I buy the condom. They tell me say 2,500. I just come out, but I still come back and buy them because I was under duress. You know, hold on now. You know, as I say use the condom finish, the condom still here. Because normally I'll be rough rider. Oh, at the side of my nose, always so. You know, this Nigeria, the squadron of Nigeria don't know. We know who they bother. Everybody now sex. My love would day. IPP confessed, they donate, give him. He confessed that Abiola win the election. That's a confession. Because he confessed, they go beat him. IPP confessed that they donate money billions of naira. Do you know they give IPP 17 billion for book where you know how many books I don't read? I they owe 17 million. They give IPP 17 billion. When I hear the money they give IPP, I get high BP. Oh no, Nigeria don't spoil. Nobody is not even talking about all this now just sex. If only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us. Oh, now people just now social media. Do you know my biggest problem now as I speak? That's my biggest problem now. Be say my pikin and get fan. My first son, for now you everything for YouTube. My pikin leave everything for you to go fall in love with Gege. Do you know how long you convinced me to? How long you took me to convince that boy? Say, boy na barrel. He got to tell me say that I don't do like that. I said barrel no work. What did they do? I tell my pikin they go school in the morning. They just meter break. They just resume. And then my pikin they from say I carry my pikin they go school. My pikin get mine. They tell me say Daddy, are you sure this is not a financial mistake? They tell me. My pikin they talk. I got the child to convince my pikin. Say school is I say shh. And I know it's the last word of a fool.
They do protest for end bad governance. See the people when they lead the protest, they come. We are tired of this government. Enough of all this old men in power. Energy. You know why? Then they eat come the protest. That was side. Person they use 6 weeks passing. Come outside. First of all, the minimum of protest for us are not be even good thing for here. Zanga. It sounds like waiting go good. As soon as they do for it, end bad governance. If police throw tiaga here, end of protest. Don't more oversee. For the first time when not enter protest, you wanna see the difference. As they do, end bad governance. I see me this thing end for Abuja, me you know come. Protest branch enter Kaduna. Early money don't come out. End bad governance. Now so then they come outside. They won't ask one say, why not they go and say, I don't know, then they end something. End bad governance. End bad governance. Now, do you know part of the reason why they always say they know they do protest? Now say some people will be anti-protest, they mastermind the protest to loot. Listen, when you they loot for Lagos, you go enter supermarket, person go pick what you eat, what you need. What you need. If we loot for that side, oh, subhanallah. Early morning as well, end bad governance for Kaduna. One guy just walk out home. In look one guy when dress killing say, yeah, nature, man. Who's morning? I get traffic you go by. The guy no understand and he say, I get traffic light you go by. As in the end, bad governance. That guy don't go remove yellow, green, and... The guy when they say, I get traffic light to go by, the guy going to say, what will I do with traffic light? He don't provoke the guy. He said, how about now for you, why they be able like say if it's more became? You don't know, say if you buy this traffic light, nobody will go to control you for road. Hold on. Everybody hold on. I'm performing for this guy alone. Everybody hold on. 100 naira. I mean, you know that the highest money we receive for not. $100 now you give me like that, you know enjoy me. Same way you go make I get what I go use and treat. No, you know say Basketmouth, she talks say me we know the collect money if they give us for stage. Basketmouth she dey curious I know the
I'm not going to talk in love man. It's kind of rubbish with that one. When I don't start to tomorrow now my name go day K for G's lover. I beg. It does say these days, my name, thank God, my name don't come up from media, don't come up for blogs more. And if you know how they pray every day, Father Lord, change this story. God go answer my prayer. My neighbor Two-Face, my name go enter. my neighbor, people come, they call me, hey, why? Have you checked on your neighbor? Check on your neighbor. I said, check what? When my own happen, he check on me. Say, check on your neighbor. No. Anyway, that one don't pass. It's still trending. Yeah. Because the one, but una too like gist. Why una be like this? Una just wake up. Wetin dey happen? Which celebrity they go down today? Una like gist. And the thing is sweet to now. What una won't believe? Una won't just believe. Hey, you want too much. You and your wife. They go take picture. They don't want kill us. Kill single people who want to die. Okay, now I don't single. What you again? Huh?
Wow. Bros R&D. Forever living products. That the man young now. You know, say, get away with me and bros go stand now. Say, if girls go full and leave me. See them. They play. When I don't go fit athlete role, I walk pass. Bros, they fresh every day. See, RMD now. I'm not knowing age. Fresh man. They tell them, she went to go remove hand for batting. They know they hear. When you do normal thing, your mind go day, everywhere go, you know. Hey, girls just hard anyhow. Traffic everywhere. You go wake up, order for breakfast. You go arrive as lunch. Everything just stop, bro. No. This show, is that Acapella talk? This show, you show me. No, you show me. Who bring that? Who talk that is saying knowledge is power? Yesterday here, conductor they beat professor we get knowledge. Conductor one kill. Conductor one killer. So far full every year. Even girls they follow filler now, bro. Go give girl money for Uber. She go enter halfway, trek halfway. I go outside to go carry Stella. Her leg they dusty. You go play ball. Me no one lost. They suffer the serious. My family members they here. They can't. I mean, man, so far full everywhere. Girls now. All those girls when they say team natural, I go ask and what cream do you rub? You go say I don't rub anything. No. Now I know the thing God do for now. To buy girls cream now, you guys be criminal. Bro, it's crazy. I'm always hot, my bro. Check my records, bro. You understand me now? Moscow boys. I don't spoil Moscow. Come back to Nigeria. Wanna go on a cool place. There go chop corn and pear, post them. Come they say craving satisfied. You get another food. Show us spaghetti where you don't feel like a job. They craving satisfied. Everybody they go through a lot, Baba. Boy go suffer, collect a number, you no go remember to call her again, bro. Everybody they move on. But girls say, well, correct girls do this Nigeria shabba, then few. Nigeria we get we no get work, we say I'm craving vacation. Now vacation you dey, you no get work. Where you won't go? No get work, you dey crave vacation. And boys go they dodge, they say, why they find better girl with them train well. Now so my guy dodge, go date girl away. Now so now. You know before comedy, who be that our Nigerian keeper? I dey catch, Baba. The guy dodge, say they find better girl. Now so he go begin date Assemblies of God choir. The girl still bill last week, say she won't buy Bible. You cannot run away from it. You know fit escape billing, bruh. Who be that? Bonus, calm down, bro. Why you not even supposed to date this area? You're supposed to just go outside. They find anybody carry them one thief, bro. I don't even know what next year we'll go to. Anyway, we'll just do the sharp. But all these girls say, it go dead easy if comedians they laugh, they nothing. Even Bros Julius know what in I see for your last crack your ribs. So boy, they promise me. You see the way they do for me for that. Nothing about the beggar for hotel. Wanna come. This thing where this new governor they do, he good. I tell for GRO, he said go buy my table. Nah, where then? Baba, I touch everybody, baby. So my advice to the girls, yeah, when I know they stress boys too much. As you there, you find girl, me and you know say you get more than 6 girlfriends for this Lagos. If you get problem, you won't buy iPhone 6. Add all your boyfriend them for one WhatsApp group. Introduce them to each other. After all, they don't catch you, now you open up. Mike meet Emeka meet Chinelo meet I'm your girlfriend. When they remember how you treat them, they don't go break. Then go contribute money, buy you iPhone 6. No, they stress one person. Bandwagon everywhere. Get the one to birthday, go say you want to do charity. Come carry list of charity, give your boyfriend. Charity now your money you go use. Your boyfriend doesn't feel like to do charity. Now everybody want to do birthday for motherless babies home. Everybody mother. Do you know that currently now as I speak to you, motherless babies home get food, pass me and you get mother. And boys go reform woke. All these girls they don't to chop our money. We need to do again. Valentine just pass, all the boys they gather money to spend for girls when no fit spend Valentine. One guy carrying girl come out and interview the guy. Can you help us spend Valentine? He say no, I don't believe in Valentine. No, I like Val, V-A-L. Mama do the Val when she like. But I go last week. Now I say you don't take away we enjoy all this our old life. Now I say make I enter bus. Baba, you know say conductors for Port Harcourt then they crazy so and they know they stress them. Once you know where your change, as you reach your bus stop, one come down, then go just pair you with another person. So now you come down, they go say you give her 500, you give her 200. Now so last week for Port Harcourt, they pair one pastor with Ronsgirl, we get big nyash. See your pastor carry Bible, they follow Ronsgirl for back. I want to explain to people saying I changed. I want to explain saying I changed the fine. I know say if you want catch what your friend they do, if you really want to know what your friend they do, just borrow your phone. Do like I say you want search for something for browser. Check the last things when chat when search about, you go know in plan. Like if I collect this my guy phone now, check. I'm gonna check like cheap flights to Russia. You know, saying they plan to go back. Collect this bro's phone now, check. Good venues in Lagos. They'll be like saying one do wedding. Collect this guy phone now, check. You'll see symptoms of ampiclos. You know, saying don't carry.
There's no need for that. Good evening. Oh. Good evening. All right, so if you are looking for somebody who is going to raise the ovation, you wait for who is planning the show. Do you understand? You people cannot stress me. I beg you. This is not the actual plan. This thing I'm doing is not what I planned for. So please, as I'm cracking the jokes, laugh. If I mark your face, please, I don't want to injure anybody this night. Please, let's know what we are doing. Do you get? I came from the mainland for this. I don't want to wound anybody. Please. So I'm telling the jokes, you laugh. They are just 5. Please, I don't want problem. Do you understand? This is not the actual plan. My younger brother now don't they play ball for Spain. I don't know who sent him. My family WhatsApp group, they don't mute me. I'm the first son. How do I explain to my father that comedy is paying? How many jokes I want crack now to meet up? You know what he pay me? The useless boy do birthday last week. Them say, bros, I do birthday, you know wish me. I say, really? I should wish you. So if I wish you happy birthday, what about a long life? You think you're going to see it? I will kill you myself. This 10 years I've been doing this. Look at how your wife looking at me. He doesn't know me. 10 years I've been doing this, you know, from Korodu, and I'll be cracking jokes. Somebody will not laugh. Try me this night. I will wound, because this thing is getting very serious. So, do you know how difficult this job is? All these comedians you see here, you think they do it for passion? If they born any comedian that came here to perform, let them MOP not pay. You will see. You think it's all fun? All those people want to see for but not all of them they crazy. Some are comedians. So. Comedians they go out, so they for third million bridge, they tell themselves, I went. Do you know that when you come, wait, stop clapping, I don't say I'm tired. This is how they do. They do as if they like it. Yeah, this job, very useless job. Oh. They're going to do like they like inside hall. After the show, they can't drop you off. The same set of people, when they see you, they say, you're the comedian inside. Nice one, funny, find your way home. So what am I doing it for? 10 years, look at me, I no progress, no movement, nothing. I did do show, I did beg people. I will wound you. Who are you to tell me that? You guys don't know how difficult it is. You see, when comedians come here perform, now they enthusiastic. Comedians come here perform it here. As they go back, everybody they greet them. Guy, nice, why you think those jokes? If a comedians are very close to depression. Comedians come here crack joke, you know laugh, you don't kill them.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.